Hello guys, this is Vamshi Krishna. So hi everyone. Today I came with a new concept. So this video is very helpful for the nursing students like GNM and BSc nursing and even MSc nursing. So although the exams were started a couple of days ago and BSc nursing and MSc nursing, so this is the video for the students who are going to write the BS nursing or MS nursing examinations. Those are final exams. So in this video you are going to see some of the golden points to be remembered before writing exam. Why? Because these are the smallest mistakes which we make, so which cause the low mark and even failure. So these are the mistakes which you made, so you may go into the face the low grade marks, and even sometimes the failure also it may be happen. So I'm going to enter into the topic, the points which are important while writing exam. So the first one is, so the first point is, don't be panic and reduce your anxiety and stress. So mostly most of the students are before writing the exam, when they sit in the examination hall, so they may be very stressed and having some anxiety about the exam question paper. So for example, if you are being panic or having stress and anxiety, so it it will be not helpful for writing the exam in a better way. So it will reduce your concentration level. So don't be panic during the examination. So you just remember this point, don't be panic and reduce your anxiety. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Your mind should be very attentive and very peaceful. So the next point is, read the all instructions which they have given in the OMR sheet. So mainly for the BSc nursing and MSc nursing students, they will get a OMR sheet with the answer booklet. So you have to read the all instructions which they have given in the OMR sheet first paper. Okay. And the next point is, make sure that carry all the materials are nothing but the scale. Okay, scale, pens, and if you want to use the any sketch pens, means only one black or otherwise a blue color as a normal size sketch pens. You should not use any markers or highlighters. Okay. And then eraser, pencil, so some of the items which are really needed in the exam, so you have to carry all the materials. And the next one is, make sure that seat is yours. So some of the students are confused, and due to the fear of exam, they will they don't see the hall ticket number which is present on the table or chair. So by mistakenly you may go and sit in somewhere. Okay. So you have to make sure that the seat is yours by seeing the hall ticket number. And the next one is, after giving OMR sheet, make sure that the hall ticket number is yours. So when you see the OMR sheet on your table, so you have to check your hall ticket number first. Okay. And your name and year of exam. Okay, date of the exam and your course of year and everything. You have to check the details which they have given in the hall ticket. It should be correlate with the OMR sheet. So if there are any mistakes, means immediately inform to the invigilator, who is the teacher who is present in front of you, and make the correction at the time only. So the next point is, listen carefully the announcement which are in the examination hall. So in some of the examination centers, they will give some of the instructions in the mics or speakers. Okay. So you have to carefully listen them, and take the signature of your invigilator in the examination hall. So before writing the exam, so you have to take the invigilator signature. Okay, then only the exam will be valid. And the next one is, after giving question paper, peacefully read the all questions for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So when you get the question paper, don't be panic and don't read the all questions with unknowing mind. Okay, please take 2 to 3 minutes time and peacefully read the all questions and categorize the questions which you know very well, and categorize the questions which are medium, I mean a little bit knowing or otherwise not known anything. Okay, like that you have to categorize the questions which are known questions, which are not related, which are unknown questions. I mean whether you know the answer or not, you have to categorize according to the question paper, and arrange your answers according to what you know. Arrange the time. Okay, so for example, if you know the question very perfectly, you just start the question, start writing the answer with a uh, very nice presentation. Okay, for example, if you know the answer for that question, you have start with that, and arrange the time. Okay, so you have to arrange the time according to the questions. So how much answer it is needed, then only you have to give the answer for the correct answer you have to give to the question. Unnecessary matter you should not write. Why? Because in the answer booklet you have nearly 40 papers. So previously, when we are writing the examinations in the Dr. NTR Health University, approximately it will be 60 papers around, I think so. So now KNR University is giving the only 40 papers, and each page they are giving the nearly 18 to 25 lines, I think so. Not exact, I don't know exactly, but so within a limited content you have to write in the paper. Why? Because if you write the unnecessary answer means you will not get the sufficient papers for other questions. Okay, and the next point is, before starting the writing an answer, please put the question number and section number. So this is really important point you should keep in mind. Why? Because some of the students are, they don't give the answer, I mean question number and the section number. If you write the answer is correct also, it will be not valid. Okay, so you have to put the question number and section number according to, for example, they may ask the a question that is first question, and they may ask or explain about the pneumonia. Okay, and under that they will ask like options, I mean categories like A, B, and C. So in the A category, they may ask about the etiology. In the B category, they may ask about the clinical manifestation. In the C category, they may ask about the nursing management. So you have to clearly mention the question number. You just don't forget about this. This is really important one. You have to keep in mind. That is, keep the question number and section number. Okay. So the next point is, start with the answer with good handwriting. So while writing the exam, you have to keep in mind that your handwriting should be very good presentative. Okay, so if you are not writing with good handwriting, the evaluator cannot impressed. So you will get very less marks. So maybe your answer is correct, but your presentation is not that much impressive, so you may get the less marks. So you just keep in mind. And the next point is, arrange the answer content according to the answer sheet. So I already said that according to the question you have to write the answers very limited. Okay, unnecessary matter should not enter into the answer sheet. So the next point is, don't write unnecessary matter for the question because the papers are very less. So you have to keep in mind this one. So if you write the unnecessary matter means, for some for other answers you may not get the sufficient papers. Okay, the place should not be available in the answer sheet. So the next point is, don't miss any questions. Okay, you just remember this. Don't miss any questions. If you don't know the perfect answer, even though, just attend the question and give some little bit explanation. Okay, if you write some little bit explanation, you may get the at least 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so even 1 mark also very helpful for pass out from the exam. Okay, so just keep in mind that don't miss any question in the question paper. So the next point is don't use the more time for single answer. So here you have to keep in mind that is time management. Okay, maybe in the exam they may ask nearly 6 questions. Okay, 3 hours. So maybe you may get the 6 questions in that. 5 questions you have to write, one is the choice. So you may get the for each question 35 minutes. Okay, some around just expected time, this is 35 minutes. You have to keep in mind that is for each questions 35 minutes. So within 35 minutes you have to complete the answer. So this is the time management. This is really important. And the next one is draw the diagram when and where it is necessary. So if you don't know the answer, if you want to impress the examiner, evaluator with the diagrams, means it is waste of time. Okay, if they ask any diagram, for example, they may ask about the structure of the heart. Okay, so explain in the uh, by drawing the heart diagram. So if they ask like that, then only you go for the diagram of the heart. Okay, in some cases if they ask about the any condition, so if you want to explain in the diagrammatic manner, means you just draw the a simple diagram. Okay, don't give any extra highlighters. Okay, so the next point is don't use unnecessary color sketches. Okay, so according to the rules of examination, we should not use unnecessary colors like green and red. Okay, like that pink color. So these colors are uh, strictly avoided. And the next point is don't waste the time by drawing unnecessary pictures. You all know that, I already said that. And the next one is, this is the last point, after completion of answers, make sure that the next answer should be start with in the next paper and underline the answer at the site of end. Okay, so for example, you completed any answer, okay, in the one paper. So this is the a paper. Okay, so you completed the answer writing here. Okay, so after end at the end of the answer, you have to make a line with the pencil only. Okay, so you have to start another answer in the next page. Okay, so the next page you have to keep the question number and write the answer here. So we have the space here, I will start here, means it is wrong. Okay, keep in mind this one. So the next point is, so this is the final point. Finally, keep in mind that the answer should be impressed by the evaluator. Then only you can get the a good marks. So I already said that if you give the a good presentation, if you put the all the all the question numbers and the section numbers and the rules which they have given in the OMR sheet, if you follow that, you will get the a good marks. So this is end of my just a little guidelines for the students who are writing the question exams. So who are all watching my video, please share with the students who are who don't know the instructions while writing the examination. Maybe my videos, maybe who are all watching my video, maybe the lecturers, teachers and the principals from the colleges who are all watching, please share with your students, so it will be very helpful for them. And by this we can improve the pass rate. Okay, by this we can improve the pass rate in the examination. So thank you guys for watching my video.